Do you want to be able to log your Google Calendar events into an Excel spreadsheet? Let me show you how to do it automatically, using Zapier. To do this task, I'll want to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. With Zapier's no-code app builder, I can create my Zap from scratch, or with Zapier's new AI Copilot, I can just describe what I want. I could say something like, when a new event is created in Google Calendar, automatically add the data to my Excel spreadsheet, and it'll build the workflow for me. My Zap will then be created. On the left-hand side, the Copilot will tell me the steps that I need to take to complete my Zap. And if I need to tweak my prompt or troubleshoot anything, I can just type right into the Copilot. It walks me through the process. To start, select your trigger. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. In this case, our trigger is Google Calendar. I'll need to log into my account before configuring my steps. To do this, click on the Account tab. The first time we set up Google Calendar, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. If it's your first time logging in, a link will pop up for you to log into your Google account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. Select the calendar you'd like to use for your Zap and then click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with selected record and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your action event should already be chosen, so log into your Microsoft account just like you did with your Google account. From there, we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the action apps fields. Select your spreadsheet and then Copilot will automatically fill out your configuration steps with your Google Calendar data. With that, you could select from the drop-down menu or add your own text to customize your Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Great, let's check our Excel spreadsheet to make sure this works. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever a new event is created in Google Calendar, the data will be logged into our Microsoft Excel spreadsheet as well. So whether you're managing a sales pipeline, automating a marketing campaign, or building your own custom business app, Zapier makes it easy to build applications without coding. And if you like this workflow, click the link below and Copilot will build the Zap for you automatically. You can sign up and start for free.